We started SmoothMe as a way to create better, more naturally nutritious smoothies. I hated annoying roommates with blender noises, thawing frozen fruit, or the spoiling of unused fresh fruit. Therefore, we created SmoothMe, a simple way to have a natural smoothie anywhere. Our smoothies have no added sugar, with benefits such as high protein, high fibre, low fat, and each sachet is one of your 5 a day. Every box comes with 5 sachets, designed to be a week's supply. Ideal to throw into your purse for an easy way to stay healthy. Every flavoured pouch is colour-coded, so even if you have 2 in your purse, you'll know which flavour you want. Just add to a tumbler filled with water, shake and go. You can also add SmoothMe to porridge or yogurt for a naturally delicious flavouring. We offer 2 vegan flavours which are just as delicious. Every pouch is handmade in Ireland, and we are on a mission to share our solution of natural convenience. Go to smoothme.ie now to order a box for yourself. We suggest trying the Discovery Pack because it saves you money and you get to try every flavour.